The $1.5 billion edition of South Florida's Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. For decades, neon guitars have adorned the signage in front of Hard Rock Cafe locations. But the firm has now taken this icon to an unprecedented level of size and prominence. The world's first guitar-shaped hotel, complete with a massive light screen front, debuted recently as part of a $1.5 billion renovation of the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood, Florida. Taking the shape of a guitar, this 34-story building rises 450 feet, 137 meters, into the South Florida skyline. Its 6 strings run along the center of the building. Light cannons on the roof create the appearance of the guitar's neck by projecting the strings up to 20,000 feet, 6,000 meters, into the sky at night. The whole structure is illuminated by 16,800 V-sticks, which are strips of LED lamps that can be individually controlled to show a wide range of colors and patterns at varying speeds and orientations. It's possible to meticulously arrange the entire process to create stunning visual and auditory displays. Before a performance, we have a period when the installation is in a dormant condition. The lights are ambient, flowing, explains Antoine Saint-Moore, multimedia director at Float 4, the firm that develops the light displays. We want people to be able to gather there in excitement as they wait for the event to begin. And that's exactly the vibe we're going for with the shows. We want to give visitors and lovers of the hard rock a reason to gather together every day to witness a big party. The extension included the addition of the Guitar Hotel as well as a new casino, nightclub, spa, fitness center, restaurants, and retail outlets over 13.5 acres, 5.4 hectares, as well as a pool and lagoon area with cabana huts dotting the top. Light displays are created by Float 4 and run on a single real-motion 4-karat gold series server. Design Communications Ltd. oversaw the project and oversaw the engineering and installation. This is amazing. Everyone should spend their vacation at this hotel. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comments if you like the video. Watch the next video for my next appearance.